Welcome to Genessis Models and welcome to a brand new vlog. A new vlog for 2019, the first vlog of January. Hope you've all had a fantastic Christmas and Happy New Year. I know a lot of you have, because I've seen a lot of pictures up there of you guys getting loads of new kits for Christmas and going off and building everything, and I am a little bit jealous of all that. Now, if you remember last month in December, we had the competition. Our competition was for the real colours of World War II by AK Interactive. You really got in on this one. We don't normally do books, we normally do kits. Tried out books for once, and you did actually seem to like this. But anyway, after doing the usual random number generation program and counting down the thread, I came to the lucky winner, Tango Tango. So congratulations, you Tango Tango, you are the winner of the real colours of World War II. All you need to do is give me an email with your shipping address in there, and I'll get this shipped out to you free of charge. Now we do have another competition just down here, which I'll announce later on. I do need to apologise actually, because this vlog's gone up a little bit late. I always try and get the first vlog up on the first Friday of each month to announce the competitions and stuff, but it's late because sadly I've already filmed this, but the one of the SD cards got all corrupted or something and lost all that sort of video footage, so that's why it's late, but I'm videoing it again. Little bit of news to throw out there, because it's a whole new year, which means we're going to be starting a brand new group build. It also means that the last group build, the diorama group build, has come to an end, and sometime this week I'll do another vlog specifically for going off and showing off all your work and announcing the winners, where I'll be then shipping out all your trophies for that. So as I say, we have we're starting a brand new group build. It has sort of started, but again I've already sort of videoed this and it got messed up, so it's late, so it might be a little bit confusing, but we have started a new group build, and you guys suggested and voted on the forum, and what you ended up voting for with the most votes was a 1/72nd scale group build, and it is just simply that. It is all in the title. It can be absolutely anything. It just needs to be 1/72nd scale. So armor, aircraft, warships, figures, anything modeling that's 1/72nd scale, you can go off and build and enter. All you need to do really is you go to Genessis Models website, and on the forum there's a nice little section in there for group builds, and you'll have two sections. There'll be a where you post your build, so you go off and you open up your own thread in the build section, post your pictures, your progress of it, and then once you've finished, you post it in the final reveal sections of the 1/72nd scale group build, and then in 6 months time I'll vote who won. It did start on the 2nd of January 2019, and you have got until the 30th of June 2019 to get it finished, so you've got a good 6 months to get in there, get started and get working on that group build. And I do hope to see a lot of you guys in there building away and whatnot, so that should be good. Also, what has been going on is, if you haven't noticed, we have been doing live sessions here at Genessis Models, and we have just finished the Wellington. We've been working through the Wellington all this time, our first build on the live session. We have nicely finished it. We've worked through doing black, right, because black can be a little bit sort of different to like normal spraying. You kind of go a little bit lighter, but yeah, that's all nicely finished. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching that, but we started a brand new build in the live session last Friday, which is where's it gone? It's just over here. It is the MiG-25. Really cool build this is by who is by Edard. It's 1/72nd scale as well, because I thought, you know what, we're doing a 1/72nd scale GB, why not throw in and start building my own little 1/72nd in the live session. So that's just got started. I mean, it was a little bit basic last Friday, just doing, like, you know, cutting up the sprues and just going over those final basics of building up the cockpit and stuff, but we should move through with photo etch this Friday coming, and probably some weathering and stuff, so that one should be good to look at. Also, we are moving along. We're not up to this stage yet in the videos, but we'll be releasing them this week. Is the FA18. As you can see, we've done all sorts of nice spraying underneath there. Right, good. Just plain, this is actually just plain simple pre-shading at the moment. There's still going to be post-shading, going to be bleaching, and because it's a good old aircraft carrier type aircraft, I want to sort of jump in there and kind of really rough this one up. All sorts of kind of fancy spraying, probably try some salt weathering techniques as well to sort of bring that along, because we did do a really good one with way back, a step-by-step of the F-14 Tomcat, and I did enjoy that because you could really go for it with the spraying and loads of kind of different techniques that you wouldn't normally do, because it's like salt weathering and stuff. And I want to sort of like recap on that again, because there was a few things that I found, like the salt weathering technique. The salt weathering technique is the one where you put a bit of water down, you put some salt down, you do a misty spray on top, and then you wipe away the salt, and you get this really absolutely gorgeous bit of salt weathering technique. But I did find that, you know, your model gets very wet, your model gets salty, salt water gets in the model, and I was finding that days later, all of a sudden you get these salt marks come up on it, and then you got to rub it away and clean it, and then like a week later after that it comes somewhere else, it just slowly dries, and the salt kind of, it was pretty horrible really. And I want to sort of get that technique but not have that sort of backlash like we did with the F-14, so hopefully you're looking forward to that. But apart from that, I mean, that is basically, oh no it's not, we've still got this month's competition for January 2019, which, because you like the book so much last month, I thought, why not, let's bring in another book, and this is, I think, even better than the last one. That one's good, the Real Colours of World War II, but I really love this, The Eagle Has Landed, again by AK Interactive. It's got, you know, a lot more pages in here, and the content is just massive on all sorts of diorama and weathering. It is packed full of great photography, great tips and tricks and little step-by-step guides. Absolute stunner. You know, I've got one of these myself because it is that good. And again, to be in it to win it, all you got to do is go to Genessis Models website, on the forum, go to the competition section, January 2019, and plain and simply make a post on the forum, and that post then gets you entered into the competition. You can also on YouTube post down below, and that also gets you entered. Just post absolutely anything at all, comments, feedback, or just simply count me in or anything to that effect, and you are nicely entered. And I'll draw that next month in February, and so be around for that. So there we go, that is our vlog for the beginning of the month, and hopefully you're going to like everything that comes this month at Genessis Models. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.